Hello, I'm driving, and I'm here to talk about my first driving lesson with my son. I'm teaching my son how to drive. He got his driver's permit the other day, and I took him out for a drive and made a huge mistake, and then took him out, learned from those mistakes, and took him out again, and it went much better. So I don't want to get into the mistakes too much, but let me tell you this. Assume when you're teaching your kids, if you're not sure how much they know when it comes to driving, assume they know nothing. We may take a lot of things, actually we do, experienced drivers, we take a lot for granted. Like what the gas pedal is, what the brake is, how much steering is required, things like that. When we say, hey, tap on the accelerator, that doesn't mean put your foot down on it. Things like that. Hey, the brake is right next to that. You need to hit that to stop. These are kind of obvious to us, but to a brand new driver, it's not intuitive yet. So I'll just say I made some mistakes the first day. Luckily, no one was harmed and there's no property damage, but I had quite the scare. This morning, on the other hand, learned from my lessons, and I called The Dump. The Dump is a furniture store up here in Illinois, and they said, hey, if it's off hours, and we're in parking lots empty, we can use their parking lot to learn how to teach my son how to drive. So we did, and The Dump is awesome. They allowed us to use it. So we just basically, I had him use only the brake pedal, just the brake pedal, and he would just go around in circles. He'd go up all the way up one aisle, turn, stop, then make a turn, go all the way down the other aisle, stop, make the turn, go all the way down, going 3 miles an hour the whole time, because he's just, going and drive without the accelerator, just the brake pedal. So that way he gets used to using the brake pedal. Know where that brake pedal is. It's very, very important for new drivers. They need to just have that down like muscle memory to know where that brake pedal is. So that's what I recommend for anyone out there who's teaching their kids how to drive. First, assume they know nothing, and make sure they know where that brake pedal is. It's important. And then, knowing how to steer right, and then knowing how to steer left, or actually opposite way. Learn how to steer left first. That's easier because they can see out their window right here, at least here in the U.S. Then, learn how to steer right. Tomorrow, or this weekend rather, we're going to go over using the accelerator. I'm going to have him use the accelerator, but at most 10 miles an hour. So not fast, just parking lot speed. Parking lot speed limit, 10 miles an hour. And we're gonna do the exact same thing, except on those straightaways, I'm gonna get them to get up to 10 miles an hour. No more than that. Learn how to control your speed. 10 miles an hour seems like a good speed to me. And I'm gonna throw out the word stop every now and then, so he has to brake. So, we'll see how that goes. But big lesson learned. I just wanna, throw that out there to any dad or mom who's having to teach their kid how to drive. Don't assume they know anything. Don't go to a crowded or even semi or partially used parking lot. Don't have anything in front of you when they first get out off behind the wheel that they have to steer away from. Don't do that. Just have them be on a nice long straightaway in an empty parking lot, and have them only use the brake. Okay? Put it in drive. Don't worry about reverse yet. Don't worry about anything else. They should know how to adjust their mirrors, adjust the seat, and use the brake and steer. That's it. First lesson. Anyway, hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Cheers.